Hello, Fixing Expert family. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of the Versace Palazzo Hotel in Dubai, a stunning blend of Italian elegance and Middle Eastern opulence. Located in the heart of Dubai, this hotel offers an unparalleled luxury experience. Let's explore what makes the Versace Palazzo Hotel a true masterpiece. Lavish accommodations. The Versace Palazzo Hotel boasts 215 rooms and suites, each meticulously designed with the signature Versace touch. The rooms feature bespoke furnishings, intricate mosaics, and luxurious fabrics, creating a harmonious blend of comfort and sophistication. Exquisite dining experiences. Dining at the Versace Palazzo Hotel is a culinary journey through Italian and international cuisines. The hotel features several world-class restaurants and bars, each offering a unique dining experience. Vanitas, the hotel's signature Italian restaurant, serves authentic Italian dishes in an elegant setting. For a more casual dining experience, head to Giardino, where you can enjoy a lavish buffet in a vibrant atmosphere. Don't miss out on the Enigma restaurant, known for its innovative and evolving menu. The Versace Spa and Wellness. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the Versace Spa is a haven of tranquility. Luxury shopping and attractions. The Versace Palazzo Hotel is ideally located near some of Dubai's top attractions and shopping destinations. Guests can explore the nearby Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa, and the Dubai Opera, all within a short drive from the hotel. Events and meetings. The Versace Palazzo Hotel is also an ideal venue for events and meetings. With its elegant ballrooms, versatile meeting spaces, and dedicated event planning team, the hotel can host everything from lavish weddings to high-profile corporate events. The Versace Palazzo Hotel in Dubai is a true embodiment of luxury, style, and elegance. From its opulent accommodations and exquisite dining to its serene spa and top-notch event facilities, the hotel offers an unparalleled experience for discerning travelers. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive insights and tours from Fixing Expert. Until next time, stay luxurious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.